This is the old house borer's colleague, the carpenter ant, for whom wood isn't food, but shelter. It tunnels through the wood to make its nest. Then it carries away the chewed wood, leaving space in which to live. The result is wood destroyed from within. Business as usual in the cycle of life and death. Nothing is safe in the unknown world. Even our own bloodstream can be a highway for invaders. But that doesn't mean we have no defenses. Within seconds of a cut, a net of threads called fibrin slows the loss of blood. The net forms when a substance in the torn skin reacts with another substance in the blood. The blood coagulates with a kind of natural glue. The glue then forms a scab, which covers the wound until the skin can heal itself. Skin cells divide again and again to form the first layer of new skin beneath the scab. Other layers are then built up from beneath. The most common invaders are bacteria, one of the simplest forms of independent life. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They exist practically everywhere in incredible numbers. There are 100,000 billion in a human body. Not that all bacteria are dangerous. In our intestines, they play an essential role in digestion. They combine with stomach fluids and enzymes to break down food into nutrients. This salad will need their help as it makes its way through the digestive tract. But other bacteria are long-standing enemies, like the ones that attack our teeth, causing cavities and plaque. Enzymes in our saliva usually keep them in check, but if we forget to brush, the battle may be lost. Enemy manpower is unlimited. These bacteria are moving among the cells of the mouth, swimming down microscopic rivers in our mucous membranes. The bacteria thrive on the rough surfaces of our teeth, where a toothbrush can't reach. A single bacterium can divide itself into 1 million new bacteria in just 8 hours. Without our defenses, we would never survive the onslaught. But each of us has billions of cells patrolling our body. An army of soldiers often stronger than our enemies, working together on the front line. The first wave of troops are the macrophages, which literally means big eaters. Hundreds of thousands of them travel through the blood vessels and lymphatic system, ready to attack. With long, retrieving arms, they capture bacteria and kill them. Macrophages deal with invaders simply by eating them. They can tell a bacterium from a normal body cell by scanning its surface. The cell's chemical structure reveals whether it's friend or foe, to be left alone or devoured. Macrophages ultimately eat themselves to death, taking the trespassers with them. Together, millions of dead macrophages and their victims make up the substance we call pus. A macrophage will attack any foreign body it finds. Here, asbestos fibers that entered the bloodstream through the lungs are marked for disposal. Even another macrophage who's died in the line of duty is devoured. Our defender cells are always on patrol. But some invaders are more difficult to deal with than others. And some seem nearly impregnable. This is a virus, a tiny piece of genetic material surrounded by protein. Recreated using electron microphotography, they're visible here as blue dots on the surface of a cell, only 1/100th the size of a bacterium. Because a virus can't reproduce without a host cell, it isn't considered a living organism, but it can kill. It forces its way into the cell nucleus and programs the cell to make more viruses, copies of itself. This is a recreation of the inside of a cell. The red structures are mitochondria, the cell's power plants. The yellow ball